There are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on Earth. This famous saying illustrates the boundless expanse of the cosmos. But did you know the exact number? Get ready, because we're about to reveal it. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss any of our future updates. Imagine yourself on a wide, sandy beach on a sunny day. You're surrounded by countless grains of sand, each minute and yet collectively forming a vast landscape, stretching as far as you can see. Now, try to wrap your mind around the fact that there are more stars in the universe than these grains of sand. It's a humbling thought that emphasizes humanity's place in the grand scheme of things. Grains of sand are everywhere. They cover vast deserts, line countless beaches, and compose concrete structures that shape our world. But when we think about the vastness of the universe filled with galaxies, stars, and planets, the sheer number of sand grains pales in comparison. Counting the grains of sand on Earth is no easy task, and scientists have come up with various estimates using different methods and assumptions. However, a reasonable estimate suggests there are about 7.5 × 10 to the power of 18 grains of sand on Earth. This figure takes into account the area and depth of sandy places like deserts and beaches worldwide. It also considers the average size of a grain of sand, which is typically around 550 times smaller than a millimeter. While this number may not be entirely accurate, due to the challenges in measuring both Earth's surface and the countless grains of sand it contains, it serves as a good approximation for our purposes. The real challenge is counting the stars in the universe. Unlike grains of sand, stars are incredibly distant, and their numbers in the entire universe are unknown. However, astronomers use clever methods and observations to estimate the number of stars in the observable universe. A helpful approach involves considering our own galaxy, the Milky Way, as a representative sample. According to NASA, the Milky Way contains between 100 and 400 billion stars. Let's take the middle ground and assume the galaxy has 200 billion stars. Now consider that our galaxy is just one among trillions of galaxies in the observable universe. If we multiply the number of stars in our galaxy by the estimated number of galaxies, we get a rough idea of the number of stars in the observable universe. Scientists believe there are approximately 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe. Therefore, the total number of stars in the observable universe would be 2 trillion galaxies multiplied by 200 billion stars per galaxy. This gives us a staggering number of stars, 10 to the power of 23 stars. Now prepare to be amazed as we compare these two enormous numbers. To put this into perspective, imagine you had a chance to win a lottery where the prize was 1 grain of sand from every beach on Earth. Your chances of winning would be astronomically small, yet for every single one of those grains of sand, you'd still lose by a staggering margin compared to the number of stars in the universe. So, just as the grains of sand are countless to us, the number of stars in the universe might also seem incomprehensible. It's a humbling experience to consider how much of the universe remains unknown and unexplored. Despite our technological advancements and thirst for knowledge, there's still so much out there beyond our current understanding. Many astronomers believe that the observable universe, with its estimated 2 trillion galaxies and 4 and 10 to the power of 23 stars, is just a tiny part of the entire universe. What lies beyond the observable range remains a mystery. Some theories suggest that the universe extends infinitely, while others propose the existence of multiverses, realms beyond our own that may contain even more stars and galaxies. While we may never fully grasp the concept of infinite or truly understand the nature of other universes, the idea that our observable universe is merely a small portion of something much greater expands the mind even further. The vastness of space poses significant challenges for space exploration and scientific endeavors. The distances involved are simply mind-boggling. For example, even traveling at the speed of light, which is the fastest possible speed in the universe, would take over 4 years to reach the nearest star system, Alpha Centauri. Considering this immense scale, it's no surprise that exploring distant parts of the universe is such a daunting task. But it also highlights the incredible capabilities of our spacecraft and the determination of scientists and explorers to push the boundaries of human knowledge and adventure. As technology advances, we continue to develop more efficient and powerful spacecraft capable of venturing farther into the cosmos. Who knows what wonders and discoveries await us as we venture beyond our tiny blue dot and explore the vast expanse of space? Despite the seemingly infinite distances, the quest for knowledge drives us to keep pushing forward, unraveling the mysteries of the universe and discovering new worlds and possibilities that lie beyond our own. In addition to the sheer vastness of the universe, the comparison between stars and grains of sand raises interesting philosophical questions about our place in the cosmos and the nature of existence itself. When we contemplate the immensity of space and the countless stars scattered throughout it, we are reminded of just how small and insignificant we are. As humans, we tend to focus on our own problems and concerns, but when placed in the grand scheme of the universe, these worries seem to shrink in comparison. It's a humbling experience that can help put our problems into perspective and remind us of the bigger picture. Furthermore, the comparison between stars and grains of sand sparks curiosity about the origins and nature of the universe. As we gaze up at the stars, we wonder about the formation of these celestial bodies and their role in the grand tapestry of existence. Similarly, we marvel at the properties of sand and its role in shaping our planet. By exploring these natural phenomena, we gain a deeper appreciation for the intricate workings of the universe and the forces that have shaped our world. So next time you find yourself on a beach or gazing at the night sky, take a moment to appreciate the incredible scale of the universe and our place within it. The comparison between stars and grains of sand serves as a reminder of both the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead in our quest to understand the cosmos. While the vastness of space may seem daunting, it also inspires wonder and a sense of adventure. Who knows what amazing discoveries and insights await us as we continue to explore the universe and unravel its mysteries. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our latest videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. The universe is vast and mysterious, full of wonders that continue to amaze us. From the smallest grains of sand to the brightest stars, everything around us is part of a grand cosmic dance. By understanding the scale of the universe and our place within it, we gain a deeper appreciation for the beauty and complexity of the world. So, let us continue to explore, discover, and marvel at the endless mysteries of the cosmos. Space is big, and sometimes it's hard to wrap your mind around just how big. Take, for instance, the number of stars in the universe, which astronomers estimate to be around 4 × 10⁻23. That's a whopping 400 sextillion stars. But then there's the number of grains of sand on Earth, which is estimated to be around 7.5 × 10⁻18. That's a lot of sand, but put those two numbers together and it becomes clear that there are many more stars in the universe than grains of sand on Earth. In fact, there are more stars for every grain of sand on Earth by a factor of more than 50,000. That means if you took all the grains of sand on Earth and laid them end to end, you would still have a very long way to go before reaching the total number of stars in the universe. But wait, there's more. These numbers are just for the observable universe, the part of the universe that we can actually see. Scientists believe that the actual universe may be infinite, meaning the number of stars in it could be infinite as well. That means that even the most mind-bogglingly large number of stars may only be a tiny fraction of the total number out there. It's a humbling thought to consider that there are so many stars in the universe that we will never be able to see them all. And yet, despite the vastness of space, we have managed to discover some truly incredible things. We have seen planets, moons, comets, and even galaxies forming in real time. We have explored the surface of Mars and sent probes hurtling through interstellar space. And who knows what we will discover in the future? Maybe we will find signs of life beyond Earth or uncover the secrets of the universe itself. The possibilities are truly endless. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember that each star is a massive ball of burning gas, a giant nuclear reactor that is millions or even billions of times larger than our own sun, and the number of stars out there is simply beyond our comprehension. In the grand scheme of things, we are just a tiny speck of dust in a vast and ever-expanding universe. But maybe that's what makes our existence so precious. We are a tiny flicker of consciousness in an otherwise silent and empty void. And we have the ability to understand and appreciate the beauty of the universe around us. So let us marvel at the wonders of space and celebrate the fact that we are alive to experience it all. Thanks for watching. And if you'd like to learn more about the universe and our place in it, check out our other videos. With that, we hope to see you next time.